Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to send a document for signing in Docusign. To do this, first you need to log into your account from the dashboard. Click to the Start button and select the Send and Envelope option from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll need to add your document. Click the Upload button to choose the file you want to be signed from your computer. Let's go to the Add Recipient section. Type in the name and the email address of the person who needs to sign. You can choose how to deliver it, such as via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Make sure the option Needs to Sign is selected. Scroll down to Add Message. Here you can edit the subject line and add a personal message so the recipient knows exactly what they are signing. Next, click to Next in the top right corner to open the document editor. On the left sidebar, you'll find the standard fields. Simply drag and drop the signature field or any other info like date signed onto the document where it's needed. Once everything's look good, just click the Send button at the top right. The recipient will get the document instantly and you will notify it as soon as it's signed. And that's it.